For centuries, scientists have pondered a profound question. How fast does gravity travel? Does it act instantly across the universe? Or does it have a speed like light? Today, we're diving into the fascinating journey of how humanity measured the speed of gravity. This discovery reveals so much about the nature of space, time, and reality itself. Join me as we explore the implications of this groundbreaking measurement. Isaac Newton's law of gravity changed how we see the universe, but it left us with a big question. He thought gravity acted instantly, no matter how far apart things were. But what if the sun just vanished? Would Earth keep spinning in place? Or would we feel the pull of that change right away? It turns out the truth is even more mind-blowing than we imagined. In 1915, Albert Einstein changed everything with his general theory of relativity. He showed us that gravity isn't just a force pulling us down. It's the bending of space-time itself. Imagine a trampoline with a heavy ball in the center. That's how massive objects warp the fabric of the universe. When these massive objects move or collide, they create gravitational waves. These waves are like ripples in a pond, traveling at the speed of light, about 300,000 kilometers per second. Einstein's insights opened the door to a whole new understanding of the cosmos. It took us a century to finally prove it. In 2017, the LIGO observatories made a groundbreaking discovery. They detected gravitational waves from two merging black holes. This was a moment that changed our understanding of the universe. The signal reached both detectors almost at the same time. It confirmed that these waves travel at the speed of light. For the first time, we truly heard the universe ripple. This discovery was a game-changer for our understanding of the universe. It confirmed Einstein's theory with stunning accuracy, leaving no room for doubt. We learned that gravity isn't just a force. It's a cosmic dance moving at the speed of light. This deepened our grasp of black holes and opened new doors for exploration. Now, we know that gravity doesn't act instantly. It travels at the same speed limit as light. Every time two massive objects move in the universe, they create a distortion that ripples through space-time. These ripples travel at the speed of light, connecting us to the farthest corners of the cosmos. We're not just passive observers in this vast universe. We are woven into the very fabric of space-time itself. And when it shifts, we can finally measure its rhythm, the speed of gravity. Hey there, science lovers! If you enjoy mind-expanding content, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Join the ChemSafe Insights community. We're all about bringing you the coolest science videos. Your support helps us create even more amazing content. So, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and stay curious. Let's explore the wonders of science together.